Hello everyone and welcome to today's lecture on the software development life cycle. Session we'll understand what SDLC is and why it is important. We will explore different SDLC phases. We will compare various SDLC models and at the end we will analyze real-world application of SDLC. By the end of this lecture, you will have a clear understanding of how software is systematically developed and maintained. Let's get started. First of all, what is SDLC? SDLC is a structured process that defines how software is developed from conception to deployment and maintenance. It helps in ensuring quality and efficiency in software development. It helps in reducing risk and cost. It helps in improving project management and minimizing software failures. SDLC provides a systematic and disciplined approach to software development, just like a blueprint guides the constructor of a building. Let's discuss about the phases of SDLC. The first phase is requirement analysis. This is the first and the most crucial phase of SDLC. The goal is to gather and analyze customer needs, business objective, and technical feasibilities. Key activities include collecting requirements from stakeholders, feasibility study, technical, financial, and operational, and creating software requirement specification, that is SRS document. For example, if we are developing an e-commerce website, we need to define what payment options will be available, how will users navigate the site, what security features are required. The second phase is system design. Once requirements are clear, the next step is system design. Here we plan the architecture of the software. High-level design defines system architecture, modules, and data flow. Low-level designs cover detailed logic, algorithms, and UI design. For example, in online banking system, we design database architecture, customer accounts, and transactions. For user interface, we design login screen, transaction page. And for security mechanism, we encrypt multi-factor authentication. Phase is implementation or coding. This is the core phase where actual coding takes place. Developers write the code based on the design specifications. Key aspects of this phase include selecting a programming language like Java, Python, C, or any other language. Second is writing clear and efficient code. And third is using version control systems. Just for an example, in a food delivery app, developer will write the front end using React or Flutter, develop the backend with Node or Django, connect to the database like MySQL or MongoDB. Testing. Once coding is done, the software undergoes rigorous testing to find and fix bugs and errors. For software testing, we use different type of testing. Unit testing is used to test individual component. Integration testing is used to ensure modules are working together. System testing is used to check the entire system. User acceptance testing is used to see the end user validation. For an example, before launching a ride-hailing app, testers simulate real-world use cases to check booking a ride, payment processing, and GPS accuracy. The fifth phase is deployment. Once testing is successful, the software is deployed to production. For beta testing, software is released to a limited number of audience. After that, we do full deployment. During the full deployment, software is available to all users. After the complete satisfaction, cloud or on-premises deployment can be done. For example, When WhatsApp releases a new feature, they first roll it out to beta testers, then to all users. The sixth and the last phase is maintenance. Even after the deployment, software needs continuous maintenance for fixing the bugs, for security updates, and for performance improvement. For example, Android and iOS apps receive regular updates to fix bugs and add new features. SDLC models. Now that we understand the phases, let's discuss different SDLC models. First of all, waterfall model. Waterfall model is a sequential and best for well-defined projects. Agile model is iterative, flexible, and best for dynamic requirements. Spiral model focuses on risk management, and DevOps integrate development with operations for continuous deployment. For example, waterfall model is used in medical softwares. Agile is used in mobile apps like Instagram. DevOps is used in cloud service like AWS. Let's take an example of Netflix. During the requirement analysis, we found that there's a need for online streaming. After the requirement analysis and during the designing phase, we found that cloud-based architecture is the most suitable architecture for this type of app. During implementation phase, we decided that using Python and Java will be most suitable languages for this type of cloud-based application. And after implementation, performance and security testing is done. Then deployment phase comes with rolling update. Last phase of maintenance is an ongoing process. It's a continuous bug fixes and improvement process. Thank you for joining the session. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments or in discussion forum. See you in the next lecture.